Who's responsible if I'm in a crash and I'm the passenger or I was hit by an Uber or a Lyft driver? Well, obviously, step one is, was the Uber driver or the Lyft driver negligent and they caused the crash? Let's get past that, assume that they are. Okay, who's responsible for it? Is it the Uber or Lyft driver's personal auto insurance they have on that car? Is it Uber or Lyft's commercial policy? Well, that's going to be a fight between Uber and Lyft's insurance people and then the Uber driver's personal auto policy. Come to us, we can help navigate those waters. But the bottom line is, if it's not your fault, it's a matter of having them figure out who's paying first and who's paying second. And what that means is, a lot of times Uber will say, well, we're secondary to the driver's personal auto insurance. And then the driver's personal auto insurance say, well, we're secondary to the Uber or Lyft's auto insurance. Well, what does that mean? When they say they're secondary, I mean the other person's taking lead. They pay first. If you go through all their insurance, then we step in. Well, how does that work? How do you figure out who's primary and who's secondary? You got to dive into insurance policy language. A lot of insurance policies now that Uber and Lyft have been around for a decade or so have in there specifically saying that they do not cover when the driver who owns the vehicle, they don't cover when they are on a fare for Uber, Lyft, or another ride share. Some do not. So you dive into those weeds. Bottom line is you need to attack both policies, both the insurance policy for the vehicle that the Uber or Lyft driver owns personally, as they almost always do. And then second, the insurance for Uber or Lyft, and then other issues such as negligent supervision, negligent hiring. Why was this person allowed to drive to begin with if they have a reckless policy? A lot of issues to cover. Call us. We'll go through all of it for you for free. 314-863-0500. Ben Sansone, Sansone Lauber.